The unseen thread of destiny, understanding karma and how it shapes your life. Have you ever wondered why certain things happen to you? Why some effortlessly achieve success while others struggle despite their best efforts? Is it just luck or is there a deeper, unseen force at play, weaving the fabric of our lives? Today, we unlock one of the most profound secrets of existence, the law of karma. Hello, everyone, and welcome back to my channel. In the vast tapestry of Sanatan Dharma, the ancient wisdom of Hinduism, karma is not just a religious belief, it's a fundamental cosmic law. Simply put, karma means action. Every action we perform, physical, mental, or verbal, generates of corresponding reaction. It's the universe, ultimate system of cause and effort, an invisible balance sheet that record every deed. But karma is not a single monolithic force. Ancient texts categorize it is various ways. But for our understanding, let's simply there Sanchita karma, the accumulated action from all our past lives, like a vast cosmic bank account. Then there Prarabdha karma, the portion of Sanchita that's referring in this current life, dictating our birth, family, and certain life circumstances, our destiny in a way, and finally, Kriyamana karma, the actions we perform right now in the present moment for which we are actively certain new reactions. This is where our true power lies. It's a circle to understand karma is not divine punishment. It's a mechanism for learning and growth. If you plant a mango seed, we get a mango tree, not an apple. Similarly, kind actions sow seed of joy, while hurtful actions sow seed of sorrow. It's an impartial mirror reflection our choice back to us. The universe is not thankful. It's simply responding to the energy we emit. It allows us to experience the consequences of our deeds, guiding us towards greater wisdom and compassion. This brings us to our most empowering realization. While we might not control our past Sanchita karma, we absolutely control our Kriyamana karma, our present action. Every true, every word, every deed you perform today is shaping your tomorrow. If you wish for kindness, be kind. If you seek success, work diligently and ethically. If you desire spaces, cultivate space within yourself and your surroundings. So, how can we apply this ancient wisdom in our daily lives? 1. Practice mindfulness. Be aware of your tools and intentions before they manifest as words or actions. 2. Cultivate compassion. Treat others as you wish to the treated. 3. Act ethically. Always strive for honesty and integrity in your dealings. 4. Forgive and let go. Holding on to grudges creates negative karma. Forgive others and most importantly, forgive yourself. The law of karma reminds us that we are the architects of our own destiny. By understanding its principles and consequently choosing positive action, we can transform our lives and contribute to a more harmonious world. Embrace this profound wisdom and start weaving a tapestry of joy and fulfillment of yourself and others. If you found this video insightful, please hit the like button, share it with someone who might benefit, and subscribe to my channel for more ancient wisdom for modern living. Let us know in the comments what are your thoughts of karma. We'd love to hear from you. See you in the next video. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Thanks for watching my video.